You're watching today's video technical update presented by FX Times. It is Thursday, September 23rd, 2010. I'm Fan Yang, your chartered market technician, and I'll go over some developments in the Forex market. The platform I'll be using for analysis is VT Trader. The euro has been rallying this past couple of weeks as shown in the euro dollar, euro yen, and euro pound pairs. However, the euro strength is being challenged today. Let's take a look at these charts as well as the euro CAD, which just broke out of a flag pattern. I also want to take a look at the pound dollar and the pound yen as the sterling is rallying. This video is being produced at about 12 p.m. Eastern Time during the New York trading session. Here's the euro dollar, and you see the market rallying for a couple of weeks since this consolidation, and there was some expected resistance at 1.3550 area, but there's already the market is challenged at 134.50. The euro strength, that is challenged. And here, let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So we have this sort of rounded top action here, and we are testing this previous high here at 1.33. You also see a 38.2% retracement level at 1.3285. So this area is supposed to provide some support for this pair, and the market has shown that here. Now let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame, because we're in a channel right now, and when you're in a channel and the market travels from your resistance to support, for example in a rising channel, when the market travels from resistance to support, you could set up this resistance line, and when the market breaks out, it's known as the counter trend breakout, and it's a continuation outlook. So if the market here sets up some type of resistance going down here, maybe it can break 133, but it shouldn't break below 1.3190 area here at the 61.8% retracement for this to stay in this channel, staying in the current momentum, bullish momentum. Here is the 15-minute time frame, and we turn to this intraday time frame. These, by the way, are the high and lows for the day. So you see we're inside of the previous day right now on this decline, and if it can break 133, as I mentioned, it could go down towards 1.32 area. Okay, and one thing confirming that is your RSI staying below 60 here, broke below 20 here, and here again staying below 60. And if it can come down again below 40, as the price level also breaks 133, then in the short term, near term, there should be a decline towards 1.32. But there is also the market is very bullish, and we could look for the market to continue rallying after some correction towards 1.40, 1.41 area. But really, we have some resistance before that at 1.39. So we should monitor 1.39 as the market nears that area. Moving on to the euro yen, which has rallied from here right above 105, and now we're at 112.50 area. We didn't hit 114 yet, but there may be some topping action. We'll see after today and maybe after tomorrow's candle, see if we could confirm some topping action, and then we could see it declining towards the 109 area, some between 50 and 61.8% retracement of this swing. 4-hour time frame. So here we have some projection towards 114. Actually, the market has a bearish divergence, but here's the key: the market has to break this level at 111.50 area. If the market can close below 111.50, we may have topping action. Otherwise, this market can continue towards 114. Topping action suggests a decline towards 109 area. The euro pound was projected a little higher towards this 0.86 area, but we have found some topping just below that, and you have this decline now. You have 1, 2, 3 candles of decline, and the target, actually the threshold, is 0.85 for here. If the market supports this euro pound decline here and continues rallying, that means we may have started a bullish count, as the market cannot break below this 1 here after this wave 3. Okay, so euro pound at the moment challenged. The euro strength is challenged, but we do have a bullish breakout here, and as long as the RSI doesn't break below 40, we should continue this bullish outlook for the euro pound. So today's price action, here's the daily action. We may start some kind of correction, but look for the correction to find support at 0.84 area. Okay, moving on to the euro Canadian dollar pair, which we saw this week break above this flag formation, and the target is 1.4275, 1.42 area. And so far so good, but today we have some kind of stalling. Let's take a look at 1 hour time frame. Okay, so we have this topping action developing, a double top developing, and a break below. You see here, so the market is about to close below that and complete this topping action. We should have some correction here, and when we look at the entire swing, we can expect this projection, this correction, to come down to the 38.2% area, which is 1.3560 area, and that is also the support area, as well as the 200 moving average in the 1 hour time frame. So if there is a decline, look for the market to be supported at 1.5660, 1.3560 to 1.36 area for a continuation rally towards 1.42. Right? Hold on. Let me go back to the daily and just confirm our projection is towards 1.42 after a decline, after a correction. Moving on, just want a quick follow-up with the pound dollar. Here the RSI failed to go below 40, and here it's breaking above 60. So this, there's definitely a bullish bias in the market. The price action reflects that. And now we have a breakout of this consolidation or congestion area, you see here, after the market broke below this 2 swing or even the zigzag, and now we're continuing to rally, and in the daily we see this go towards 1.60 area. We may have some, let's see if we have some short-term potential targets. We could use this swing, map it up to this swing that goes towards 1.5850, 1.5880 area. We could also look at this short-term projection here. Again, same area, just slightly above 1.5850, and so look for this to find the next pivot just above 1.5850. If the market can close above 1.57 in this 4 hour candle, which looks like it will, breaking out of this consolidation. A look at the pound yen pair. Here we have the market testing this 131, actually this is 131.70, these previous lows here. When the market broke below 133, I projected this to come down towards 130.50 area, and the market is at the moment staying above that with a little bit of consolidation in today's price action. And in the 1 hour time frame, we see this consolidation, you see this possible double bottom, and the pivot for me, and by the way, it's testing this declining trend line, so there's still a bearish, the bearish mode is still valid as long as the market, let's see, this is the previous consolidation, and you see the central pivot is around 132.87 area. Okay, ultimately, if the market closes above 133, then we may have broken this decline bearish mode, and we would return to a bullish mode. Although we need the RSI to break above 60, break above 70. That would be a bullish mode kind signal. But at the moment, it's ranging in the near term. The market looks like it's attempting to break above this previous consolidation, but it's so far respecting it, and if it continues to respect it, it can continue lower towards 130.50. Here is a confirmation. If the market breaks below this area, after that means the market has broken out of this consolidation if it breaks below about 132. And that wraps it up for today. Once again, I'm Fan Yang from FXTimes.com, wishing you good trading.